Mini will present an entirely refreshed lineup at the 2024 Goodwood Festival of Speed, with the first electric Mini John Cooper Works E prototype making its dynamic premiere tackling the iconic hill climb. Marking a significant milestone as the first ever electric Mini John Cooper Works, the model features an advanced electric powertrain with innovative design while embodying Mini's commitment to innovation and electromobility. Due to celebrate its world premiere later this year, the Mini John Cooper Works E represents a bold move in Mini's evolution, combining the brand's rich heritage with cutting-edge technology. The future John Cooper Works lineup will include both petrol and all-electric models, with fans able to see these models on display in the first glance paddock for the duration of the festival. Attendees to the show will find a host of new models on display, including the Mini Countryman, Mini Aceman, and Mini Cooper in both 3-door and newly announced 5-door variants. The Mini Cooper Electric can also be found on display in Electric Avenue. Visitors to Goodwood can also visit the Mini Mixed Reality experience, where the virtual and real worlds are merged. Drivers will have the chance to immerse themselves in a unique 10-minute journey through the Mini universe, all while behind the wheel of a Mini Cooper Electric or a Mini Aceman, thanks to power of virtual reality. Visitors to the festival can find this experience at Car Park M. The 2024 Goodwood Festival of Speed takes place on July 11th through July 14th. Until next time, this is your forever fan of the Mini brand signing off.